Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Fanttik C8 Nano cordless electric scissors. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you are going to want to charge it. It does come with the USB-C cable, but you have to plug it into a wall outlet. So plug it up, get it nice and charged, and then it's ready to go. Now up here, we have three modes of operation, kind of an eco, regular, got to turn this, and then max. So let's keep it in regular. Now to turn it on, you're going to press this button right here and then hold that in, then press the trigger. There is a nice LED light here that lights up the area. There's the electric scissor part. It does come with an extra blade. This is to change it. This is like a screwdriver. You're simply going to turn that to change out the blade. It varies the speed depending on what mode you got in. There's eco. And then let's go to max. Okay, first let's try it out on some cardboard. Again, press the button, pull. Wow, did a good job. Okay, the stubborn plastic, this stuff here. Cuts through it like butter. All right, let's just try a single sheet of paper. Yeah, that's a pretty nice cut. Okay, let's try it on this old towel. So simply, this is fabric, cotton. Oops, I went in at an angle. All right, let me try that again. Yeah. If you go too fast, it'll slip past it. Let's turn it up to max. Yeah, let's see what it does. Yeah, still slips by it a little bit. If you go slower, it works better. You could really pull it past it. See how that was doing? So if you go slow, that works the best. And again, let's do eco. And I like the display shows you what mode you're in and the battery percentage. Blue and red is max. Let's measure the handle 4 inches, overall 7 inches, up down about 5.5. This is about, maximum's about 2.5. Not sure exactly, maybe the opening here. It looks like it's going to be about 3/4 of an inch opening. Here we go. Really, the only thing you take apart is the blade. And again, that is really sharp, so be careful. So I hope this review helped. Thanks everybody for watching.